Welcome, creators, and welcome to Creating with Miss Kaye. Today, I'm going to give you my year in review for 2020. Well, let's just say my 4 months in review. I started my channel on August 27th, 2020, because my daughter asked me to. I think she was tired of me sending her all the pictures of how I changed everything quite often. I have been a fan of so many channels, but I would never comment. I would just watch others' videos and get so much inspiration. So once I got my nerve up to start my channel, my goal was to participate in Kenya's Decor Corner Fall Lantern Challenge. But I was so lost. I didn't know how to record on my phone the right way, and editing was like Greek to me. I just knew my children who stay on their phones, always on a computer, knew how to do this thing. Nope. So I just went ahead and recorded the pumpkins that I DIY that were going into the lantern. I didn't have a light. I didn't have a stand. I basically was just holding my phone, and I just posted this 34-second video. Once I messed that up, I started playing around with recording videos and decided to participate in my first challenge. It was titled the Dollar Store Challenge, hosted by Sonia at Domestic Diva DIY. I didn't waste any time. I did it on September 8th. It was my 5th video. I was beginning to like this YouTube thing, and I started looking for more and more collaborations and challenges. So when I saw that Marilyn at Fabulous Designs on a Budget was hosting White and Gray We Slay, by the way, her co-hosts were Create with Cindy and Everyday Living with Karen Jeter. Marilyn said use YouTube etiquette, which I had no idea what that even meant. I just typed their names in and kept on going. I now know what is YouTube etiquette. I received some very nice comments, so I didn't quit. My next hurdle was getting over my fear of talking on camera. So I got my nerve up, and the challenge was Fall DIY Challenge. It was hosted by Regal Designs by Shoshana, and it was co-hosted by my dear sweet friend Tamara at Love My Babies Forever. I did that video on September 17th. It was my 13th video uploaded. My next video, where I felt a little bit more comfortable about using the camera and talking just a little bit more, was my 18th video, and it was Glitter, Glam, and Glitz. Marilyn was the host at Fabulous Designs on a Budget. The co-host was Easy Living with Elle and Diva Decorating. People were subscribing and they were saying they liked my work. So, it was a boost of confidence. My next video that really helped my fear and gave me more confidence was the Dollar Tree Glam Tablescape. It was hosted by Glamour Ellen. Her co-hosts were Tammy, at the time was Me, Myself, and DIYing It, Candy with DIY Design by CCW, Shanji, Living Life to the Fullest, Stacy, Styling with Stacy, Inspired by Chanel, Love My Babies Forever, Love is the Main Key, and Fabulous Designs on a Budget. This was for Ellen's birthday. I enjoyed it. I had fun, and I got a few more subscribers. I wanted to try something new, so I changed the venue and went to my daughter's house and helped Jessica decorate her table. So I just wanted to see, can I decorate somewhere besides just my home? So that's how I came up with this blue tablescape, and I did this on October 5th, and it's my 27th video. So I was tagged by Gigi Faison for the Love of Decor and Lady Cinnamon in a Get to Know Me fall video. I had to do it all in front of the camera, and I was nervous, but I got through it. This was my 30-second video. I was moving on up and I was putting videos out. I was watching so many other YouTubers do a shopping haul video. I decided to do one. It took me 3 times to do this video. My granddaughter was visiting. She kept getting in the video. So once she left, I sat down, did it again, and I enjoyed it. Video number 41 was the Wood Entertaining collaboration. It was hosted by Gigi Faison for the Love of the Core. Her co-hosts were Shawnee with Shawnee on the Spot and Wani at Wani's house. This was so challenging to me because they wanted wood incorporated to see how you decorate it or how you use it. I had nothing wood. I went and bought this tree. It was an okay video. I enjoyed it, but I hope they do it again. And once they do it, I'm going to be ready this time. One highlight that I cannot leave out is becoming a member of the Daughters of Destiny. I love these ladies and we have truly enjoyed each other. The members are Lady Cinnamon, Gigi Faison for the Love of Decor, Shawnee at Shawnee on the Spot, Debbie Bubbles, and myself. I have had so much fun. I've had a chance to celebrate friends. We did a tablescape in honor of Miss Betty Allen's 1-year anniversary on YouTube. But from time to time, you run out of time to do a collaboration or you're just not in place. So for this collaboration, which was called Pumpkin Spice, the host was At Home with Mary J. Her co-hosts were Glamour Ellen and Viology. I wanted to participate so bad, but I was out of town, so I called my daughter Jessica, asked her to get to the house. She knows where everything is. I walked her through what I wanted on the table. She added her own spin. We agreed on it, and the tablescape was done, and it turned out wonderful. This was video upload number 52, and the date was November 4th. On Sunday, November 8th, which is video number 55, the Daughters of Destiny did their first collaboration. We titled it Thankful, Grateful, Blessed. And it was a blessing for the amount of participants we had, and we truly enjoyed and we were so thankful. My 65th video was part of a closed collaboration. It was titled Winter Rose Gold Tablescape. The participants were Ant's Place, Fabulous Designs on a Budget, Renter Love Luxury by N, Inspired by Chanel, and myself, Kreating with Miss Kaye. I uploaded 3 videos that one day. I know that wasn't a good thing to do, but the second video that I uploaded was an AKA tribute to my daughter Jessica for her Alpha Kappa Alpha sorority, her 1-year anniversary. On Sunday nights, most of us tune in to watch YouTube Talk with Denise Jordan. She teaches us so much, so I couldn't leave her out, and I even participated in her Christmas Kitchen Vignette Challenge 2020, which was my video number 71. The Daughters of Destiny, we came back with our second collaboration, and it was titled Baby, It's Cold Outside. Another major highlight to me since I've been on YouTube was being asked by Marilyn at Fabulous Designs on a Budget to co-host with Elaborate Designs by Aisha. This was video number 79. We used traditional Christmas colors, red, green, and gold, and I was so honored. My YouTube sister, Shawnee on the Spot, wanted to do something in remembrance of her brother, and I didn't want her to go at it alone, so I did a heartfelt tribute to my daughter, Crystal, who passed away. This was video number 81. Another highlight was when Glamour Ellen asked me to be one of her special guests with the Glam Squad for their Diamond Frosted collaboration. I did a tablescape entitled it Blue Ice. When I found out that it was Gigi Faison's birthday, I decided to do a totally teal tablescape in honor of her birthday. This is video number 85 on December 22nd. Video number 89 is one of my favorites, and maybe because it's my last tablescape. It's titled New Year's Table for Two. And this video here, my year in review, is number 90. No, I didn't reach my goal. I wanted to have 100 videos by the end of the year. So I have 10 more to go. So let's just say into 2021, I am already behind. But my major, most favorite highlight of being on YouTube is when my sister, Angela from Crafty Nanas, joined. Make sure you go by and watch her channel. This picture was taken of the night of my husband's birthday party. It was in March, so the pandemic had just broke out and we were being told to limit ourselves. So this was the last event that we've had at our house. My kids came in March and they actually didn't come back until June. They wanted to come to see their dad for Father's Day. A phone call, I guess, was good enough for me. But by the way, this handsome face, this is my son, Trey. He's never on camera. This is Kyler's dad. We love Trey. Trey is hilarious. This is my family. I'm glad that you got to be a part of my family. I got to be a part of your family. All these tablescapes we do, we will all be back around our tables. All of these coffee tables will be back together, having coffee, communion, being with each other, loving each other. But until then, let's stay safe. I hope you have enjoyed my 2020 year in review here on YouTube, and I hope to see you in 2021. Happy New Year. God bless. And I'll see you in the next video.